One of the most important things in trading is consistency. And I'm not talking about making money consistently, where that's obvious, that's why we trade. But I'm talking about the discipline you must have to wake up every morning, to check the market, to take part of the open, the sessions, to analyze and to take the new information, to learn something new every day. And you put this information together, and with time, when you face the opportunities, your mind gonna recognize and gonna act accordingly. Okay. Hi everyone, Bastian here. Hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna trade the Germany 40, the DAX, okay, the Europe session, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm trading, how you can make money on the stock market, okay, with a simple approach. We are trading support resistances. You can get a little bit insight of my trading, okay, how I am thinking and how I take the trades, okay? So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so as I told you, we are trading the DAX today, the Europe session, the Europe Open. On my broker is Germany 40, okay? So you pull up the chart and we're gonna analyze, we find our key levels, okay? So the first thing you wanna do, you go to the monthly. As you can see, we took out that high and we just fall back. Okay, what we want to see a little bit, the weekly seems to form a double top. Okay, doesn't mean much, but we have to look for the supports and the resistances. I have a video about it, how you can find them. Basically, we are looking for the wicks on the higher time frames, because that's where the price bounces or rejected. All right, let's go down to the 5 minutes chart and let's see what's happening. Okay, as you can see here, we have a downtrend. Okay, we have a downtrend and we just break the structure. I just shared a strategy about this. When a downtrend breaks structure, we wait until it hits back the support, hopefully, okay, and we are looking to take a long position there. So our first support will be this low, 15,200 and 15,210. Okay, so we are going to mark these levels. Okay, so this is our first support for a long opportunity. Okay, so let's analyze further. Let's see, in case breaks this support, what's the next support. Okay, so now on 5 minutes you cannot see. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go to a higher time frame. So let's see on the hourly you can see clearly, so we're gonna go even higher, 4 hours. Okay, on 4 hours you can see that the next support, we want something close to 15,200 and we are looking for the bottoms. Okay, as you can see here, okay, we have some wick here, used to be a resistance in the past, and we're gonna mark it as support right now. Here we have a 15,160. Let's mark this. Actually we have it, so let's put it here, 15,160. And because I always mark the 50 mark, I'm going to add a 150, and 160 gonna be my key level. Okay, right there. Okay, what's the next one? The next one, as you can see, this low is 15,090, 89, 90, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, so let's mark that 90 support. Hold on, 1 second. Here. Okay, so 90 there, because round number 100 is a powerful number always. So 15,090, and because 100 is a strong key level, so our key level going to be 15,190 and 15,090 and 15,100 there, like that. Okay, so right now we are at 15,250, 15,090. Let's look for another support. We can go even higher to the daily. Okay, and we can look on this side, the wicks and the bottoms. As you can see, we have a nice support at 15,025. We're gonna mark that one, 15,020, and the wicks there going to be 15,020, 15,030, and one more at 14,990. Okay, so those are our support. We can go back to the 5 minutes and let's see the resistances. Okay, in case we are not falling, we are pumping and rejecting the resistances or breaks out, we are looking to take those levels. Okay, so what do we have here? As you can see, we are close to this resistance, this low. I'm not going to mark this, I'm going for the second low here. Okay, as you can see, top, low. Okay, I like, even if on the small, on the lower time frame you mark them, it's okay. Okay, only when you cannot see you can go to the higher. Okay, as higher you go, the level is stronger, but 1, 2, 3 touches on the higher time frame, you're gonna see it as well as a wick on one candle. Okay, so let's mark this level here as a resistance. That is 327, so it's gonna be 325 and going to be 335. That's the first resistance. Okay, now let's see the second resistance. It's going to be this top matched with this low. Okay, so we have that top is 390 and 400, the round number. Okay, so let's go further. As you can see, if we break out this area, okay, we can really look for the longs, because then it shifts the market. Okay, but let's take our resistances. Okay, we have the next one, as you can see, one low, two lows here, and here was a resistance, and here was a support. So we are trying to match these two. Right here, 450, 450 and 460. Okay, and the next one is going to be this low. It's 490 and 500. 500 we always know it's round number and strongest. Okay, so we are ready with our key levels, and you can mark them. You can put a rectangle to see more clear. I usually don't even put, because I see already the structure and I'm prepared where the price might turn or bounce. Okay, so basically your chart is ready. You're trying to catch between the key levels. So at resistances, if rejects, we short. If breaks out and holds, we are trying to ride to the next resistance. However, if breaks out and you get faked out, I mean comes back, okay, you can assume that might fall back to the next level. Right, you have to use your risk management. Okay, your size must be on point. You must be able to take losses. Okay, because we don't know exactly which key levels will be respected fully, okay, and which one will fail. Of course, yes, we put other odds to our side with rejection candles, momentum reading, and price action, and candlestick patterns. But as we all know, sometimes it just doesn't make any sense, okay, because rejects and then it shoots back up and takes you out. Okay, that's why you need risk management. Use your stop loss 20, 15, 20, 25 points. I'm using lately 30 points, because I feel that it keeps me in the trade. And even, for example, if I'm taking close to the key level, okay, and I use that 20 points more, even breaks above a little bit, it keeps me in trade and falls back, so it's going to be a winning trade. Okay, so that's basically how I look for the key levels. We are in downtrend, okay, but as I told you in the video, there is a strategy when the downtrend breaks. This was the lowest, actually this was the lowest high in a trend, okay, and breaks out here. Probably lots of traders got in long, or here at the support, okay, but we are trying to wait to fall back to this level, even to take out the low and push back, and we are looking to take a long, or to bounce from this support and to take, so if it's wanna shift to go back up. If not, it's going to break and go lower. Okay, that's why you need to have your stop loss there, because we don't know. All right, all you can do, you follow price action and you manage your risk. Okay, so as I told you, supports, we are looking for bounce until it breaks. There is a long opportunity always at supports. Okay, at supports we are looking to long, and resistances we are looking to short. As soon as breaks out the resistance, becomes support. Okay, then if it holds above, we can look for long opportunity. And also at support, we are looking for long opportunity as soon as bounces, but when breaks, that's already becomes a short opportunity. Okay, so that's basically, guys, how I'm looking for key levels. Okay, and we are waiting for the market open. Okay, we check what trades we can take, where the opportunity shows up. We have the key levels. I'm not trading nothing else than the key level. Rarely, if I see something like holding a 50 area, like here, might hold this 50, okay, and push to the upside, I might take a trade. But otherwise, in the middle, I'm not taking, because I know, yeah, it might work out sometimes, but often you're gonna take the loss. Okay, I prefer to take my loss if my strategy doesn't work at the key level. Okay, I'm not going to get in the middle of the key levels, right? Okay, so that's all, guys. I'm going to get back to you at market open, and let's see what trades we can take together. All right, I'm going to share the key levels and my view on the chart on the DAX today with the Telegram channel, so might help someone out, and hopefully we're gonna make money together. Okay, see you guys. I'm going to get back to you soon. Alright, guys, I'm back. 1 minute left until market open. Just open now the market, and we are waiting, as I told you, if we can take a trade at this support if holds. Okay, there, as you can see, it falls nicely, but we don't know if it's gonna reach or turns back before. We have to follow the price action. Okay, I'm going to prepare my position with a 30 points stop loss. My coffee is ready. Let's do this. Oh, look at that fall. We could have shorted, of course, but we didn't know how we should know. We have to follow the price action. Okay, so let's see. We are getting very close to 200. We are at 220. And as soon as it's, I'm going to scale in just in case with few contracts. If I take a loss, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to enter here along, and because it's not sure we'll hit exactly this level, as you can see, already pulls back up, so you must be always ready. Okay, with a low contract, so in case fails, you don't take a big loss with all your size. Okay, but if it turns back, you are already in, and you can always add or take off. You can close your trade. There is no fee, at least on my broker, there is no trade fee. Okay, so I can click and get in, get out as many times I want. Doesn't cost me. Okay, all right, I'm going to enter another one here, as this is, as you can see, this candle is overextended. Okay, it requires a pullback. Okay, have you ever seen a huge red candle? No, only when it's news. Okay, so when it's so extended, you can assume that the pullback might come and you can get out scalping. Okay, I'm going to hold for you to show, but I could have scalped that one until here. That's a 10, 20, 15 points. Okay, but I want to prove it to you, if this works out, that how you can trade this strategy. Okay, so as you can see, this is fair enough. Even if it's bounce back and goes up from here, this is fair enough. Okay, it's close to the support. we can't wait to hit the support exactly on point. Okay, so that's why it's very important the price action to follow, to have your strategy, find your way, practice it, and watch the price how it moves. Okay, you see this week is a pushback. Yeah, it might go from here down, but you can scalp this. Okay, you can scalp this with a small accounts. Look, $20 easy. Okay, that was $20 because you knew that is overextended and will pull back. Always will pull back. Okay, so let's see if we cannot. This is gonna be a long video because I don't really want to cut it so you can see it exactly what I'm doing. Okay, hope you will learn something and you can use it in your trades, right? Okay, we have some pullback. I don't really want to add, I want to see a pushback. Otherwise we can assume that we fall back, because remember, we are in downtrend. Doesn't matter the structure is broken. Okay, but you can see $60 up just for a simple that assuming that we bounce from this area. Okay, and look, you can take this off $60-70. Okay, and this costs you to get in with 300. Okay, you have to calculate the stops, your margin, but with 500-600 account easily you can make this 60 if you catch it and you have the experience. Alright guys, it's just stopped my recording, so let's see if we can see a bounce to add some more position. I would love to add about 250 and for a hope that 50 will hold. Okay, yes, it still can go down, yes, it still can go further down, but you have the button, you are the boss of the buttons. You can get out $50 and you wait, either goes down here and you look again, either goes above 50, that's the resistance. If goes above or rejects, you take a short or a long. Okay, so let's see if we can add some more. It really looks like wanna push to the upside, but as I told you, we're gonna go and add above 50, because 50 might reject. Okay, 50 is a magic number, it's always risky. So normally I should have taken this at 40. Okay, that's a 70 bucks. It's okay, it's good for 4 contracts. Okay, but I want to see, to show you how I'm riding, if I can ride this. Of course, all you can do is you wait. Okay, this is your support. Anything above this is safe as long as we see this bounce. Okay, let's see if we can get a nice push to the upside to add some more. Okay, going to pause this for now, otherwise we'll be too long. Okay, and I don't really want to cut on the recording. I better stop it and come back to you. Alright guys, I see some buying pressure but not really satisfied. I might close it soon because I'm worried it will fall back. Okay, we are not in with too much. There is some buying pressure, but let's see if can take us up. Right, it seems wanna fall back down, but this support is valid, still valid. Okay, it's any time before this support could turn back up. If breaks, we take our loss and walk away. Nothing else you can do. there is the buying pressure, but it's not enough yet to add more. Let's see what picture is giving us. Going to stop this because it takes too long, okay? Get back to you soon. Okay, we see some nice candle there, so basically push down and manage to push back up, so that's a bull power. Okay, you just follow and see, because anytime can turn back, but you must follow, okay? You are the boss of the button. If you don't like it, just get out and get in when you like it again. But as you can see, we have the push. Okay, I could have added more, but I'm waiting this 50 area. I'm worried that's gonna reject and come back down. Okay, so I don't want to get in with too many contracts. Okay, but for now it looks good. Hopefully it will take us to the sky. Let's go, Zeus! Pump it! That's good, even $70 I could have taken here, you know? You see, I'm greedy. Because usually I get in with more contracts, but I wanted to show you exactly with lower contracts how you can trade this, okay? So let's go. Come on. All right, we are back. Come on, 35, above 50, we're gonna add some more above this. Okay, and we're gonna try to ride to this top. But if it's momentum, we're gonna try to hold it. Okay. Let's see, even if we get in here with another contract, until 705 we are covered, so let's go with another one. There it goes. Come on. That's it. Nice. I might take this 120. But I like that candle and the bull power. You see 50 try to reject. Usually I take it here, because I don't like when it starts. But there it goes. There it goes. Come on. Only one push I need. Let's see if we can get that push. It wants to pull back. If pulls back up below this area, I'm going to get out. So you always have to know when you want to get out in case goes wrong. Even if you didn't take your profit, you have to save some profit. Don't let to take you out in loss if you had a good entry and you were in profit. Okay. $50 rejected. That's not so good, but I see it jump back up. Come on. Come on, if we could reach this top here before to take profit before this stop. My fallback. So we are in total 6 contracts. I'm going to pause this now because it takes too long again. It's just a pullback. We have a nice bottom here at our support, and we should continue to the upside, hopefully, right? So let's see, but it turns back as soon, takes all my profit. Okay, we pause this and get back to you soon, either with a loss or profit, okay? You always have to expect pullbacks, okay? Because in normal case, if you want to take to the upside, it always pulls back first and again then shoots up. Hopefully it's not gonna continue down, because I don't like this 50 area rejected exactly. So this is a short opportunity right now, okay? That's why we should have taken profit there, okay? And you could see you could take another 20 points right there, okay? So let's see if we can get our trade the long. Some buying pressure right there, and I'm going to pause this for now. It's gonna be 1 hour video again, okay? Right, new candle open. Let's see if this fails or going to give us that top what we want. Going to pause this because it takes too long. It's trying to decide where to go. Right, some buying pressure. Looks good so far. I'm not going to add anymore. I'm going to write this as it is. Usually I'm trading with 8 to 10 contracts, but that rejected 50 area, I don't really like it. I wanna see a breakout of 50. That 50 is my, it's very magic number. Alright, come on. Okay, let's go. Give us a push. All we need is a push, and to get out, forget it. Okay. Yes, you can trade stop loss. You can trade your stop loss, get out anytime you want, but we have to lock profits, otherwise how our account will grow. Okay, so going to pause this again because it just stands here trying to decide. Okay, we go good. We are up $100 on 6 contracts. Let's see. Right, we had a new candle, just came back down, but it suddenly bounces, so hopefully gonna take over. Come on, you can do it. Put your candle into it, one big green candle for Bastion. Come on, that's all. Come on, push. You know, I'm always rooting for one candle. Come on, let's go. You look good. You look really good today. Come on. I take this profit. Yeah. Come on. There is the buying pressure. Come on. There we go, the coffee gives the power. Come on. Okay. Come on, don't reject 50. Break out and I'm going to get out. There is. Okay, I'm going to sell some and get out. Okay, it's 150 locked. So that's basically, you can ride it, but I just have other things to do right now, and I'm going to check it very soon where it goes. But I think the strategy worked out as expected. Downtrend, breaks out, falls down to support, and we took a long position up from the support. Isn't that amazing? Look at it. So yeah, this strategy will fail time to time. Okay, that's why we have the stop loss, and we get out in case. Alright, hustlers, so that's basically how I'm trading the stock market and how you can make money on the stock market trading indices. Okay, you have to remember to keep your expectations realistic. Okay, you could see we took a nice 35 points. Okay, this channel and this video is not about showing off profits or points or what a big trade we took. It's about to help you create a mindset, helps you create a way of thinking while you are trading, and to help you in your future trading, of course. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoy and you learn something new. If you are new here, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can join me on Telegram channel, or if you have any question about trading in general, you can find me on Instagram and I'm ready to answer. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and you know you can do it. Put your back into it. Bye bye, guys. Take care.